One of the best YouTube channels on YouTube are in the educational niche. So I will show you some interesting channels. Crash Course. As you can see, it's a very popular channel. Psych2Go, also it's a very popular channel and also it's very nice. Kurs gesagt, I'm sure you know this channel. Minute Physics, take a look. It's very cool and very interesting channel also. And Minute Earth. Now, today, I want to show you how you can create educational videos for YouTube almost effortlessly. Very easy and very fast. Now, the method I'm gonna show you is very new, and that is to use flashcards. I will go to Google and I will type educational science flashcards. This method is only for demonstrational purposes, so I suggest you to create a original flashcards or to find some free ones. Now I will go to Canva to see some flashcards and let's take a look. I like these flashcards with the organs here. Let's zoom a little bit. I really like this flashcard, the nervous system. So, what to do now? Just create a simple screenshot of this flashcard, like this. Save it to your computer. And when you pick your flashcard for your video, just go to Clipsby, our software. When you create a new project, you have to choose between one single presenter or two. This will be on the style like a podcast. So select multiple, and my project is flashcard animation. So create. Now this is the interface of the software. It's very easy. You can change your characters and you can change your background. You also can upload your own custom characters, and we support automatic lip sync. It's very interesting. Now, for the purpose of this video to be short, I will not create characters and I will not create backgrounds. I will just choose from the pre-made. For the one character, I will choose Dr. Mike, and for the girl, I will leave it with Sarah. Now, I will select this background, flip, and yes, there you go. And now it's time for the fun part. You just have to press one button, and that is Idea to Script. Go to Idea to Script, and here upload your screenshot. There you go. Now you can type very simple prompt. Tell me about this flashcard. One very interesting thing we support here is that you can choose between a couple of conversational styles: educational, storytelling, debate, and instructional. I suggest to leave it on educational. Now, just click Generate Script. And just like magic, your script is ready. You don't have to do anything. Now you have two choices here. To leave the script like this, to don't touch it, or you can change some things like you're editing a Google Doc. It's super easy. This is a text editor. Now, if you want to include the flashcard to be visual on the corners of the video, you just have to select everything and import that flashcard. See? Now select Upload and upload the flashcard. Now go to Project Settings, and if you want subtitles, you can click Embed Subtitles in Video. And the final step here to finish our video is just to press one single button, and that is to create video. Click it and let's wait. The video will appear here on the Downloads folder. Our video is ready, and now let's watch it.
Dr. Mike, can you tell me about this flashcard?
Absolutely, Sarah. This flashcard is about the nervous system, focusing on nerves.
So what exactly are nerves?
Nerves are bundles of nerve fibers that transmit electrical signals throughout the body.
Electrical signals? How do they work?
These signals allow communication between your brain, spinal cord, and the rest of your body.
I see a brain and spinal column here. Are they part of the nervous system too?
Yes. The brain and spinal cord form the central nervous system, which processes information and sends instructions.
And the nerves carry those instructions?
Exactly. Nerves branch out from the spinal cord to reach every part of the body, ensuring rapid communication.
That's fascinating. So they help us move and respond to things?
Yes, they coordinate actions like movement and reflexes, making sure your body reacts efficiently.
Thanks, Dr. Mike. I understand now.
And this is the video. I hope you like it. I want from you just to imagine how fast you can create videos with this tool. You just have to upload flashcards here and everything is automatic. You can create hundreds of educational videos like this. That was all for today's video, guys, and I will see you in the next one.